Hi everyone, welcome back to Mamun IT Journey. I'm Mamun, an IT professional and a Google Workspace admin. If you manage your email for an organization, if you know a frustrating spam and security threats can be in this video, I will show you step by step how to fix your DKIM record and SPF record email safely. Let's get started. So first time, how to fix issue Google Workspace. So you need to access the Google admin console, then you need to log in Google admin console. You can see my Google admin console. Then you need to go search bar or left side menu dashboard. You can see many options, but you shortcut you need to search Google search option DKIM. So DKIM authentication, then you need to go your domain section. So can you see this is my domain and I have many domain options. So test purpose I want to see you humanx.ltd. This is my domain and select. You can see this domain already DKIM authentication, but sometimes the DKIM authentication failure, so you need to generate a new record and update it on your hosting DKIM record. So generate a new record, then you can select 1024 KB, then you need to then you see a new record. This is the text record name google._domain key. So you copy this record and go to your hosting, and you need to log in your cPanel, then scroll down and you can see the zone editor. So click this, then you can see my domain humanx.ltd. So now I want to manage my domain. So then here is the humanx.ltd cPanel hosting. So many record already added, but I want to update my DKIM record. So here is the old DKIM record, but I want to update my DKIM record. So now I want to update my DKIM record. So at first click add record. So add record, then valid zone editor. So you go back your Google admin console and copy this value and paste. So here is the A record. So I need to sense txt record. This record name txt. Then TTL value default and 14400. Then you need to record. So go back your Google admin console and copy txt record value. Then click your cPanel and paste. Then okay, save record. And already I have updated my DKIM record, that's why I have not clicked there. So test purpose, just see you go back your admin console and the record updated. Then you can back your admin console and start authentication. Then it needs sometimes then automatic your DKIM record updated. Then you can complete your operation. Then you can go your Google admin console and all DKIM record already updated. So you can check your cPanel zone editor DMARC txt record updated. So already see my all record DMARC or main record. So